Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to multiply a matrix by a scalar. So I've taken a random matrix P there, which is of order 2 by 3. Okay, having entries 1, 2, 3 as the first row, 3, 4, 1 as the second row. So the way we have been doing in the earlier programs, we'll need one variable to run over the rows and one variable to run over the columns of the matrix P. Okay, so I'll choose the variable m to run over the rows of P. So that is the length of P, and I'll need another variable, let's say n. Okay, we'll fix these variables now. N to run over the columns of P0. Columns of P, so I'll have to put the first entry from P, that is P0. Okay, so I'll close this here. So this will run over the columns of P. Now I'm going to use for loop here. Using definition also you can do it. Okay, so for I in range of m, that is for each row. Okay, this has to be a small m here. Enter, and another for loop here because I have to get into the columns also. For j in range of n, for j in range of n, right? So what we need to do here is I need to take each entry pij of p, and I have to multiply that entry by the scalar. So the scalar I have not yet picked. Okay, let me finish this first, then I'll pick the scalar. So pijth entry, this I want to change it to a scalar, let's call it k times that particular entry pij. So I'm taking each ijth entry of p and I'm multiplying it by the scalar k. Okay, so I'm yet to take the scalar. So we will take it from the user. Okay, that you can define the scalar here also if you wish to, or you can take it from the user as well. Either way you can do it. You can either prefix it, or you can define take it from the user also. So I will define the scalar here to be float. Float is in, it can be any fraction or even a real number. Float input in round brackets, and here inside input I'll put the message inside inverted commas. So when I run the program, this message will be prompted on the screen. Okay, enter the scalar, enter k here. This is not required. So this is what will be printed. Float is in decimals allowed, or you can use int for if you need integer entries. Okay, so right now I have this code. I've used for loop inside a for loop, and I've given this command. So what this is going to do is it will take each entry, ijth entry of p, and it will multiply scalar to this. And then I'll tell Python to print the matrix P as it is. Okay, so let me save this now, and I'll run this. So it is asking me to enter the value of k. They see, I'll put k is equal to 5, and I'll press enter. So that will multiply 5 to all the entries of the matrix. So 5 into 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Come to the second row, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. Okay, so this has multiplied uh, the scalar 5 to each and every entry of that matrix. And here also you can write k into p is equal to this. So that you'll have to put under inverted commas. Okay, so if you wish to, you can do that as well. Just to make the output look little better, you can do this. So here I can put k, put the multiplication sign because this you want to appear as it is in the program is equal to, and then put a comma. So k into p, it will appear as it is there. So again I will run, and maybe I'll put a different scalar now. Okay, save it there. And let's say you put k is equal to 3. Okay, k is equal to 3. I'll enter here. So k into p will be 3, 6, 9, 9, 12, and 3. Okay, so that's how this program works. Okay, thank you so much.